So, good morning students. Today the question is find the LCM and HCF of 18, 27 and 45. So, we calculate LCM and HCF of these given numbers simultaneously. So, let's get start. Here, you know very well the process to find the least common multiple. What is least common multiple? See, 18, 27, 45. See, 18 is perfectly divisible by 2. 2 nines are 18. 27 is not divisible by 2. So, leave it. And 45 is also not divisible by 2. So, leave it. Now, next. 3 is a 9. 3 nines are 27. 3 ones are 3. And 1, 3 fives are 15. So, here you can see that 3 is completely divide all these numbers completely. Okay, here you can see clearly. Now again you can see these number again can divisible by 3 completely. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fives are 15. And here again we divide these numbers by 3. 1 write it as it is and 3 ones are 3 and 5 as it is. So 5, 1 as it is, 1 as it is and 5 ones are 5. You can see I put circle on those numbers which divide all the numbers completely. All the numbers. Keep in the mind. Okay. Highlight this point very carefully. 3 and 3. The circle is drawn on these numbers. Why? Because the 3 number is completely divides all the numbers. But 2, 3 and 5 is not divide completely all the numbers. So, we cannot draw the circle on this. Okay. So, what is the LCM here? 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So, multiply all these numbers and we got 270. So, 270 is the LCM. This is the least common multiple of 18, 27 and 45. Okay. And again we can see the HCF. That means highest common factor. Here 2 numbers having the circle on it. So, we take it and write it here 3 into 3. So, the HCF of the 18, 27 and 45 9. Okay, is 9. Okay, the HCF of 18, 27, 45 is 9 and the LCM of 18, 27, 45 is 270. This is the simple process to find the LCM and HCF of the given numbers simultaneously. Got it? Okay, write down.